While everyone's celebrating the S&P 500's decent 10.41% gain this year, there's a secret weapon that's absolutely demolishing it with 22.33% returns. And here's the kicker: 99% of investors have never even heard of it. If you've been wondering why your portfolio feels like it's stuck in quicksand while others are making bank, stick around because what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Let me guess. You've been told to just buy and hold the S&P 500, right? Set it and forget it, they said. Be patient, they said. Well, what if I told you there's been a completely legal way to beat the market by 114% this year alone? While you've been making $10.41 for every $100 invested, smart money has been quietly making $22.33 on that same $100. The difference? They know about a fund that most retail investors completely ignore, even though it's hiding in plain sight with nearly $12 billion under management. Ladies and gentlemen, meet SPMO, the Invesco S, and P500 Momentum ETF. Now, before you click away thinking this is some penny stock or crypto gamble, let me hit you with some numbers that'll make your jaw drop. This beast has $11.7 billion under management. That's not small money. That's institutional-grade serious money. It carries a perfect 5-star Morningstar rating out of over 1,200 funds in its category. And here's the beautiful part. It's been systematically crushing the market for nearly 10 years straight, and it only costs you 0.13% in annual fees. That's cheaper than most index funds. So why isn't everyone talking about this monster performer? Here's how the magic works, and it's so simple it's genius. Imagine you're at a horse race, but instead of betting on the favorites or trying to pick tomorrow's winner, you simply bet on the horses that are already winning today. That's exactly what SPMO does with the stock market. It takes the S&P 500, all those big reliable companies you know and love, and picks the 100 that are showing the strongest momentum. It's like having a crystal ball that doesn't predict the future, but spots which stocks are already on fire right now. But here's where it gets really interesting. Let's meet the superstars in this $11.7 billion machine. Leading the charge is NVIDIA at 11.14% of the portfolio. And if you've been following the AI revolution, you know why that's pure gold. Then we've got Meta at 8.83% and Amazon at 8.43%. But here's the surprise. This isn't just another tech fund. You've also got JP Morgan Chase at 5.12%. Walmart at 4.25%, and Costco at 2.42%. This fund is finding momentum across every winning sector, not just the obvious tech plays. Every 6 months, like clockwork, SPMO does something brilliant. It kicks out the stocks that are losing steam and invites the new champions to the party. It's ruthless, it's systematic, and it's been working like a charm. While other funds get emotionally attached to yesterday's winners, SPMO coldly follows the data and follows the momentum. Now let's talk numbers, because the numbers don't lie. Over the past year, SPMO has delivered 35.47% returns compared to the S&P 500's 15.80%. That's more than double. But maybe you're thinking that's just a lucky year, right? Wrong. Look at the 3-year average. SPMO sits at 29% annually, while the S&P 500 managed 17.06%. Even over 5 years, SPMO has averaged 21.08% compared to the S&P's 15.05%. Here's where the compound effect gets absolutely insane. If you had invested $10,000 in SPMO when it launched in October 2015, you'd be sitting on over $48,000 today based on its 18.3% annualized returns since inception. That same $10,000 in the regular S&P 500 would be worth around $35,000. That's an extra $13,000 in your pocket just for choosing the momentum version instead of the regular version of essentially the same stocks. But wait, it gets better. This year alone, SPMO's 22.33% year-to-date return versus the S&P 500's 10.41% means it's outperforming by 11.92 percentage points. That's not just winning, that's domination. And we're not talking about some risky, volatile mess either. This fund has been consistently beating the market across multiple economic cycles, through bull markets and bear markets, through tech booms and crashes. Now here's what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. While most investors get stuck holding yesterday's winners, SPMO automatically flows money to today's momentum leaders. Currently, it's got 23.6% in information technology, but also 19.59% in financials and 15.59% in consumer discretionary. It's not putting all its eggs in one basket. It's finding the best performers across the entire market spectrum. The fund trades over 2 million shares daily with tight spreads, so you can get in and out easily without paying crazy premiums. This isn't some illiquid trap where you're stuck once you buy. You can treat it just like any blue chip stock when it comes to trading. And here's a bonus most people don't know about. SPMO actually pays dividends. The latest quarterly payment was $0.21134 per share. And it's been growing. The most recent dividend was 18% higher than the previous quarter. So while you're getting those market-crushing returns, you're also getting paid to wait. The current yield sits around 0.73%, which isn't huge, but hey, it's money in your pocket on top of those incredible capital gains. Now, I'm not here to sell you magic beans, so let's talk about the trade-offs, because there are some. SPMO is more volatile than a plain vanilla S&P 500 fund. When the market gets choppy, momentum stocks often get hit harder on the way down. This fund can swing more dramatically in both directions. There's also concentration risk. With the top 10 holdings making up over 57% of the fund, you're betting heavily on those momentum leaders continuing to perform. Momentum can reverse, and when it does, it can be painful. But here's the thing. Historically, momentum has been one of the most persistent factors in investing. Academic research going back decades shows that stocks with strong recent performance tend to continue outperforming in the medium term. It's not perfect, and there are no guarantees, but the track record speaks for itself. So why might now be your moment? We're living through one of the biggest technological shifts in human history. The AI revolution is just getting started, and momentum strategies are perfectly positioned to capture the winners as they emerge. The current market environment is rewarding companies that can adapt, innovate, and grow. SPMO systematically finds these companies and puts your money to work in them. The beautiful thing is, this isn't some exclusive hedge fund opportunity. You can buy SPMO in any brokerage account with no minimum investment. It has the same tax efficiency as any ETF, which means you're not getting hammered with capital gains distributions every year like you would with an actively managed mutual fund. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange ARCA under the simple ticker SPMO. Think about this. For the cost of a fancy coffee each month on a $10,000 investment, you get access to a sophisticated momentum strategy that has historically crushed the market. The expense ratio of 0.13% means you're paying just $13 annually on every $10,000 invested. Compare that to the potential for thousands in additional returns, and it's almost a no-brainer. Don't just take my word for it. Pull up your brokerage app right now and type in SPMO. Look at those returns yourself. Compare them to whatever index fund you're currently holding. Run the numbers on what your portfolio would look like if you had discovered this fund 5 years ago, 3 years ago, or even just last year. This could be 10 to 20% of your growth allocation, a perfect satellite holding to complement your core S&P 500 position. Or if you're more aggressive and believe in the momentum factor, it could be your entire growth bucket. The point is, you now know about something that 99% of retail investors are completely clueless about, and knowledge is only powerful when you act on it. Here's the bottom line. The S&P 500 will give you market returns, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's a solid, reliable way to build wealth over time. But SPMO has been giving you market-crushing returns for nearly a decade, and there's no sign of that changing anytime soon. The choice is yours. Stay with the crowd and get average results, or join the momentum revolution and potentially supercharge your portfolio returns. Which camp do you want to be in? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more hidden gems like this that could transform your investing game. Until next time, keep building that wealth. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.